Brad Thompson, the Stadion Tactical Growth Fund is up around 50 basis points so far this year. So give me your view of the market and why you think your fund can beat it.
Well, we certainly think things look pretty positive right now coming off the August lows. We've had a nice run in the markets. Whether or not that continues or not, no one really knows for sure. We feel pretty good about long-term prospects of equities right now, particularly in the Tactical Growth Fund. In terms of beating the market on a year-to-year basis, that's really not our goal. Our goal in this fund really is to provide, equity-like market returns with much less volatility over the course of time. And so if you look at the 1 and 5 and 3 and 10-year track records, whenever it is, our longer-term track record ranks very favorably. And currently in its category, it ranks #1. 5-star rankings on long-term categories and things like that. So we're very comfortable with managing it from a long-term perspective as opposed to a shorter-term period.
Well, your fund has a whole lot of diversification because it owns ETFs, exchange-traded funds. And one ETF in the fund is the Market Vectors Semiconductor ETF. I think that's the SMH. Now, it's been rough for semis this year. They've picked up a little bit lately. Can they continue this run?
Yeah, we think they can. And we've kind of noticed that pickup here in October and added that to the portfolio in October, primarily because it ranked high within our rankings. And our rankings are designed to identify adequate returns for the risk that you're taking. And so what we're looking to do is find adequate risk-adjusted returns. And right now, semiconductors look pretty attractive.
All right, you're also a fan of the iShares South Korea Fund. I think this is the EWY.
That's correct.
Now, a lot of people say that as South Korea goes, so goes global trade. It's a good indicator for global trade. And if global trade is slowing, what does that mean for South Korea?
Well, again, it kind of goes back to semiconductors and technology. So South Korea is sort of a technology-based economy. And those are the countries right now that are doing well. Those that are commodity-based and are kind of suffering in the currency trade war, so to speak, are the countries that are suffering. But we think South Korea, Taiwan, and quite honestly, the Asian countries, all of them have ranked high within our rankings. And Korea ranked at the very top of some 1,300 ETFs that we rank.
All right, and then you like the PowerShares Financial Preferred Portfolio. This is the PGF. It's essentially, it's up slightly year to date, but it's preferreds. They don't move a lot, but they pay a nice yield. This one pays 6%.
Yeah, and right now they're up right around their yield percentage year to date. One of the things we do like about this particular ETF is its correlation to the S&P 500 is very low at about 0.37. And so its goal in the portfolio is to provide that non-correlated diversification while at the same time adequately compensating us for the risk that we're taking.
All right, well, thanks a lot, Brad.
Thank you very much, Greg.
Thank you for watching The Street.